Hey ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amber. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Ladies, tonight we're going to be making a drink called the Moscow Mule. It's one of my favorite drinks. It's super delicious, and I think you're going to enjoy this drink. So I want you to go and put on an outfit that make you feel confident and sexy, and meet me right back here in this kitchen. But before you go, there's going to be a few items you'll need for tonight's drink. You're going to need Tito's vodka, the ginger beer of your choice, fresh mint leaves, lime wedges, fresh lime juice, and simple syrup. I'll be waiting. Welcome back. Hey girl, you're back. You look good. Yes. So now that you're back, I'm gonna go ahead and light my candles. Now let's get to this drink. So I'm gonna take my cup here and I'm gonna add in a few mint leaves. Mint is like the key ingredient to this cocktail. I'm gonna add in some ice. Then I'm gonna take lime wedges and place in here. Then I'm gonna add a few more mint leaves. There we go. Then I'm gonna take a lime wedge for garnish. Next, we're gonna take 2.5 ounces of vodka, a 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, 4 ounces of ginger beer, and a splash of simple syrup. This is optional. Then I'm gonna take more mint, take my straw, and there you have it, the Moscow Mule. Cheers. Fire. Yes. Well, ladies, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.